जय माँ, आई एम बैक। ओके, आज मैं है ना अचार बना रही हूँ। Now you'll say अचार, इट्स एन इंस्टेंट अचार एंड इट इज सो टेस्टी। इसमें क्या है, आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी पीपल लाइक टिंडीज। Lots of people I know who don't like tindi. You know, this is tindi. Tindora we call it. Now this tindi का अचार is instant. You just have to cut और ये कच्चा खा सकते हैं. That is the best part. And you have to take मेथिया केरिनो मसालो. You know, we call it मेथिया केरिनो मसालो. You know, initially we used to make this in the house. My mother used to make it. तो इसमें क्या क्या जाता है, I'll tell you. रेड तीखा चिली पाउडर, रेड चिली पाउडर, देन रेशम पट्टी करके एक चिली पाउडर आता है, वो डालते हैं. देन यू कैन टेक सादा चिली पाउडर विच इज लाइक कश्मीरी चिली पाउडर. देन यू हैव टू टेक सॉल्ट, ऑफ कोर्स, लिटिल बिट ऑफ टर्मरिक, as much quantity as you want. Then you have to take methi powder and mustard powder. Now, summer is the only time you season where you get, we call it methi na kuriya and rai na kuriya, we call it. So when mustard is say 2 tablespoons, methi has to be half of that because methi always makes it little bitter. So you have to be careful of that. And then you put hing. So it's a lot of long process, okay, that you have to make the methia keri masala, which my mother used to make in the house. But this is instant. You get ready-made methia keri masala in the market today, and it is so delicious. You know, it's really very very good. So you go to any of your kirane ki dukaan, you know, like your grocery store, and you have to tell them, give me the achar methia kerino masalo, and they'll give it to you. So this is that. Pass me dikha do. This is that methia kerino masalo. It is so delicious. Now all you have to do is take your tindis, cut, कच्चा, हाँ, इसको पकाना कुछ नहीं है. It's very easy and it's instant, so you can't preserve it. Okay, you can't have it in a jar and then eat it because we're not putting any oil in this. I'm just cutting it. We have to first wash it very very well, okay, because it's all kaccha. See, this is how you cut it. Add it in your masala and chop as much as you need per day. You know, you can have it with your roti or sabzi, whatever, and it is instant. So if you can carry it forward, say the next day, but you can't preserve it. वो खराब हो जाएगा. It'll go bad. So this is all instant stuff. You know, eat it up. Then next day you make a new batch of the achar. Now I have some friends. I remember I had called somebody over and I had given this. I had served this with lunch. And they said, oh my God, what have you made? You know, what kind of achar is this? So I said, this is instant, it's tindi. Now so many people I know who don't like tindis. But this is so delicious, you can have it kacha. Now it becomes slightly ripe like this. It's okay. For this achar, it is okay. You know, thoda ripe ho gaya hai. Doesn't matter. So you just go on chopping as much as you can. I'll chop a few and show you. And so these friends who had come over, they said, this is so delicious, you have to give us the recipe. I said, there's no recipe now. You can take everything from the market, you know. It's all ready made. You get in packets, you know, the masala. Otherwise, masalas, yeah, you have to do it in the house. So it's easy now. Just chop your tindi and serve. Mix it and serve. Keep it nice and thick, you know. I know so many people don't like tindis, but I like tindis. Tindi ki sabzi people don't like, but I like. And this kacha tindi is like, you know, you're having cucumber. It'll be like that. धीरे धीरे काट रही हूँ, जल्दी जल्दी नहीं कटता है मेरे से. स्लो. So I'll just cut so much and show you. ये पक गया है. I'm not taking this, too ripe, so I'm not taking this. So you have to check. let me mix this and show you. Mix all the masala. Yummy. Methia keri no masalo, and this is tindi achar, instant tindi achar. See, yummy stuff. जय माँ, देखा आपने कितना बढ़िया है. So you don't have to store, you don't have to do anything. Just बनाया, टेबल पे रखा, खा लिया. It's fine. Jai Ma, try it. Let me know.